What this means is that any exercise program that's designed not just to benefit our body, but also our brain health and performance should do something to load the skeleton in some sort of impactful way that causes the release of osteocalcin. Now, unfortunately, there has not been a systematic exploration of the specific types of exercise that best cause the release of osteocalcin in humans. But based on what we understand about how osteocalcin is made and released, it seems reasonable to assume and reasonable to employ some exercise within your weekly exercise that involves jumping of some sort. In particular, jumping where you have to control the eccentric or landing portion of that jump. Now, I'm certainly not the first to talk about this. It's been discussed in a different context. That is, jumping and landing has been discussed in a different context, namely by Peter Attia and others who have talked about the fact that as people age, one of the primary causes of mortality are the infections and the lack of mobility caused by falls that people generally have when they're going downstairs or down things. Stepping down is a common source of falls. Falls are a common source of breaking things. Breaking things is a common source of inactivity, and inactivity is a common source of infections and other things that lead to earlier mortality. What this means for all of us, young, middle-aged, and old, is that we should include some form of jumping in our weekly exercise.